as soon as I start stream, I guess I start getting pings from everywhere. Um, mute. Okay, everything is muted. Hopefully, it should be fine now. I, I'm kind of weird problem with audio. Normally I have monitor enabled for two audio streams in OBS, and yet the first one doesn't work. So there will be no desktop audio, which in this case should be fine. I don't expect any sounds today, but yeah, I don't know why that is. Well, it will be on the stream, but I can't hear it, which is not great. Anyway, oh right, I'm on a different branch now. I need to switch back. Well, actually, artists and hi. Well, hi to you do. Well, while it's building, I'll still check again OBS because yeah, it's supposed to work. It's building, right? Okay. So let's build it. Yeah, I don't know why it is. So, okay. Lots and lots of lots of pings. Okay, so I guess, well, I guess start implementing swipes today, or I could do a detached mode because I would need that to, or I could improve the API because right now, presenting dialog basically requires you to know which window type we're using, which is not great. If it's for libadwaita 2.0, then that's fine. I could re-implement application window as a window subclass. But as it is, they're separate and they have different API. And I really don't like that. So, Fluffy Kitten Mika. Meow. So I think, yeah, I'll be doing that. Maybe we could have some helper to like just present dialog for like a widget, which would then find top level itself, which is pretty trivial, but it will still make it a lot easier to use. Maybe even something like present for widget. Okay. Also, yeah, I'm using different music today, so hopefully it works fine considering the other audio issues. I also noticed that, no, this one's actually fine. I hope. Yeah, should be fine. Because one of the channels was used for both main and WOD tracks. Anyway. Yeah, it's fine. So, okay, where's dialogue? So right now, to present dialogue, you use basically this and the equivalent function in window, depending on which one you're using right now. So like, I'm opening what files. So for example, yeah, you do this, and if I change the main window to just Windows and application window instead, it would be instead this. So like you have to actually know which one it is right now. Actually, also, I forgot start timer. So yeah, okay, so what I'm thinking is it could be something like this. Except we still need to handle situations where it's not. We still need to handle situations where it's not libadwaita window, which could actually be doable if indeed we have a fallback, like a window fallback. So basically, just put the dialog contents into a real window. So I think it's fine for now. So in this case, I think I might not even need the window method. We'll see. So yeah, check the input. Then I don't remember if getRoot returns the GTK widget or GTK root. Let's see. I think it's I won't say GTK widget, but maybe not. Yep, GTK root. Fair enough. If it's a window, then if it's application window, then we presented that API. And otherwise, right now, just bail. And yeah, I'm including the private API for those, and I'll make those functions private. Wait, do I still? Yeah, I do. I don't need any includes here. Wait, no, I do need include for the main one, for the main header. And here I just have basically this. Here I remove the present dialog, and here instead I include the private version. And same thing for window. So I keep present dialog. I replace includes with the main window and change copyright date. And here I include the private one. Let's see. There might be a problem because of several dependencies, but we'll see. Do I need to? Okay. Oh, right. Wait, what? Oh, yeah, right. Also good example of why this wasn't great. It should be better now. Now it doesn't need any window includes. Message dialog 2. This can also be widget now. And present widget at this point. If this is main API, I can just call it present. Let's see. Yeah. Of course it doesn't work because I mistyped the header name. Oh, yeah. Yeah, and now obviously tests and demos all need to be revoked as well. Fair enough. Let's see. Yeah, test message dialog, use it everywhere. This needs to go away. Mm-hmm. Can I? Mm-hmm. Well, um, don't need to cast anything in here. Um, and now application window present. This one should be used a lot more in the demo. This is oh, and just gave it itself. Hmm? Yeah, this all should become a lot easier since I don't even need to fetch root anymore. So it's actually easier to use than like actual windows because for those you still need parent window. Well, you don't, but then it won't be attached. And I think I messed up the one in here. Yeah, I remember. I forgot. Oh no. How many places have I copied that in? Okay. None actually. Mhm. Hmm. What? Oh, yeah. Why am I referencing? Yeah, we'll need to investigate that. I mean, I know why. I mean, maybe I can get. Maybe I can do something so it's not necessary. We'll see. Um. Center is already widget. Because nice thing here is I can attach dialog to another dialog. Well, API wise in practice, and it should work fine if the other one's already shown. Ah, no. Yeah. I need self anyway. So might as well. But yeah, basically here I repeatedly shown hide the dialogue, so I need to keep them alive. Maybe it indeed needs something like hide and close in GTK window. So basically, don't destroy it after closing. Um, Now what's here? Right. Oh, I don't even need this. Just give it itself. Let's see. This one works. This one works. This works. This works. I mean, I suspect they all work, but just in case. What might not work is this one. But it works. And I can do it repeatedly. Aba. Huh. Yep. Something doesn't work. So... And now it does work. Okay. So I'll bring it up multiple times. And then try and close this one. And it still works. Why didn't it work that one time? Huh? And now it doesn't work again. What's happening here? There's no open dialogue. So it should work. Interesting. Okay, this is application window. So this was called, and we know it was because remove like it's not an overlay. So this was definitely called. So it's also not in the dialogues array. Now where's close request? Here's close request. Huh. Oh, it's a shopkeeper version. If someone doesn't like vocals, I'll skip and just remove this from playlist. Also, am I even audible with this? Okay, yeah, I think I am. If not, please say so. Because, yeah, I'm using different music this time from Crypto the Necrodancer instead of Toho. So, yeah. So, like, I didn't do a test stream for this. Yeah, I don't know. So let's. I mean, I guess let's add the bug print because. Because it's weird, but yeah, I expect it to work. Like, because, well, what can happen, I guess, is if I show dialogue multiple times. Well, if dialogue closed to be somehow called less times than present dialogue, which would be strange, but I guess not impossible. And in that case, we do have an extra dialogue left. Let's add the back print here as well. Actually, not even this. Let's print its title. Dialog closed. Wait, no, I can't print it because it might be already gone by this point. Also, I should probably do. Nah, it's fine because overlay keeps reference to it as well. For a moment, I thought this was use after free, but no, it's not. It's all fine. Okay, style classes. So present dialog style classes, and it's closed. This will work fine. Now let's present this one. Okay, there we go. Yep, that's how it breaks. So if I close the same dialogue, if I present the same dialogue while it's being closed, then its first callback will still be called, so dialogue will not show up again, and it will lock up the window itself. Now, yeah, we have two dialogues open, even though in reality we only have one. And now we have one, except actually we have zero. Yep, makes sense. So if this is called when it's being closed, we need to cancel that. Well, let's see where closed is emitted from. Right, it's emitted from the widgets inside, which both have close signals too. So this one emits it at the end of the animation. So we need to cancel this animation, which is fine here because it's a private widget, but it's a bit iffier in. Well, no, it's not that much worse actually. We could just call set open again and just call today. Let's see. Actually, maybe window itself could handle it. If it already has this dialog, don't add it again. And instead just show it again. Well, no. Wait, no, why? Right now, the dialogue itself is what starts playing animation. Do I have to do that? Because I really don't. I could just do it myself, like from the present function. So in this case, the window ones could be named to add dialogue, and then hmm. Well, the window could still check. It would still need to check if dialogue is already there. So and it's, let's see, how do I even do this in array? Um, okay, GPT array, fine. Brief dialogues, and index. I don't need it, so no. Yeah, if I found it, then just well, and I guess we'll need to return this, return it to, so the dialogue knows what to do. Actually, no, we don't. We don't because wait, no. Yeah, we don't because it would need to call. It would need to play the animation anyway, so we don't. It doesn't need to know if we were able to add it or if it was already there. Also, I type dialogues as dialogue, so yeah. So that happened, and now we can do this, and hopefully, I mean, I guess we still need this. We'll see. There might be bugs with random animations now when switching modes and so on. So we'll see. Yeah. So if it happens, nice. So I mistyped dialogues as dialogue and dialogue as dialogues. Just swap them. Fair enough. So many things. Okay. Um. Well, first of all, um, this animation works fine. This one does not work at all. Yeah, kind of expected it. Um, Still no animation here. Okay. Um, yeah, I expected it to be broken, so. Uh-huh. So let's see. Let's get rid of that check first. It basically happens here. This is where we animated. Well, no, the other way around, we always need. This is where we normally open the sheets, well, the float one or bottom sheet with no animation when switched modes. This code doesn't run the first time because instead the first time I was opening it from that tickleback. Now it's from the present function. Yeah, like it's open with no animation now. And same here. Makes sense. So now I need to remove this. Well, not remove it, restore it. Yeah, I am a bit loopy today. I mean, you probably can't. I'm saying lots of nonsense. Um, I guess let's add the bug prints to all of this. Well, in there, in map, in update presentation mode. Wait, no, in update presentation. And in present. And now let's see. I think map will be called first, then one of the update presentation mode, then present, then the other one. And the trick here is to catch the second presentation, the second update presentation mode. The update presentation first, then map, then present. Yeah. And now what about bottom sheets? There should be two update presentation now. And presentation, map, present. Yeah, it's exactly that. And then map take two. So well, I guess if I'm adding the same check here. Wait, no. Yeah, makes sense. And adding the same code here. I don't, as it was before. I don't like this code. I don't like count and ticks, but yeah, unfortunately here I have to rely on breakpoint bin implementation because it does take 2 frames basically to, well, 1 frame to. It does take an extra frame to switch modes. Not much I can do here. So it works here. It works here. It works here. So now I can remove the bug print from dialog, but still keep it in window because I still don't know if that bug is fixed. It probably is, but let's make sure. Alright, so style classes. And now I have opportunity to do this. Normally it looks like this. Yep, it works. So I can open, close it endlessly. I can't even do this. And it will restart from where it stopped. What? Oh, yeah. This is also a thing, because it creates a new dialog each time. So if I do it twice, it will open twice. Which is a separate bug. Oh, oh no. I see. Yeah, so I really need to prevent keyboard focus from being under the dialogue. Because, yeah, that was not great. But again, the bug itself is fixed, and that's what I was caring about this time. That one is a separate thing. Keyboard focus is hard, and probably not today. Okay, so next let's well let's commit all of this. Next up is, I guess, the window mode, like detached mode. If I present dialog for a window that's not a libadwaita window, then it should use like a real window and translate all of this to that. I'm actually not sure if we need this. I mean, probably stuff like Zenity is using message dialogues, and we'll probably want to continue using them. Though, to be honest, the way it's using them, it would probably be better for everyone if it didn't. But yeah, it is. Now I'm wondering, are there any other cases where like apps use libadwaita windows with no parent window, and like it's actually something we want to encourage? Because Zenity is not that. I mean, like, yikes. What else does it have? This one isn't the right one, but fair enough. Well, this one doesn't look too bad, though I still see that this is a custom label. Um, but something like this, I mean, like, no. Like, that's not how you use message dialogues at all. Like, with a single button that says okay, with this icon, like. So if this case stops working, it's probably not too big deal. They can still use deprecate API for now, and later they'll figure out something. So I wonder if there's something else. About Windows, probably no. Preferences Windows, probably no. Even text editor, which generally does some weird things to have detached dialogues, it has a regular preference window. Because where is it? Because like otherwise, it has, for example, this window which is not attached, but this one is. and this one is. But this one isn't. I don't know why. But yeah. Yeah, everything else is touched. And I guess another one where it would make sense right in the demo is for this. Because the first window ideally you want to be bottom sheet. Like just so it works on mobile. Like bottom sheet on mobile and attached on desktop. But then I can open another one and this would not make sense like attached. Or maybe it would. Well, it would on mobile. On desktop, you really want them both to be accessible at once, since it's basically emulating top level Windows. So one of them being attached is fine, all of them being attached is not. So yeah, I guess let's try. Um, if it doesn't work out, I can always just git reset. Dash dash hard. So I so what I need is, well, first of all, to create a window and put the put the dialog there. Mm, mm. Now this obviously isn't enough. I'd still need to like change the layout to not have any of the sheets, to basically just have the contents as is, which is actually tricky because the switch itself. Uh, but let's start. So first I'll pass null in here and just see what happens. I don't expect it to work. But we'll see. And I might be just shooting myself in the foot right now with making something that will be difficult to maintain, but again, we'll see. Oh, yeah. I need to actually allow to call the function like this. Um, yeah. If now just nothing happens at all because this window itself is not presented. Fair enough. I just want to see how broken it would be once, like, once I can actually once it's actually in the window. Um, Finally. Yeah, this is pretty broken. Yeah. Oh, it closed automatically. Right, it makes sense. Yeah, because it's not registered as a proper dialogue. It's in window content, um, so the close request works as expected. So the close button actually works. But yeah. Another question is, do I need to be able to switch between like having this bottom sheet in one window and between this detached mode? I hope not, but maybe. Like, what happens if I call present multiple times? In fact, what happens if I call present multiple times on different windows right now? Because I don't think it will work. Like, there's no way. Like, it will just say that this widget already has a parent. Can't edit. Meanwhile, the window will still edit. Well, it will still register it, and basically that window will have permanently broken close request. Meanwhile, the first one will just, well, the first one will still work as expected. The dialog will. Wait, no. That's if it's added while it's being closed. What if it's added while it's being open? Like the same thing as I did with that message dialog, spawning copies of it on top of each other, but with the same dialog, like in here. Yes, I didn't test that at all. Okay, so the window just exits, and since the dialog is already open, we don't do anything. So yeah, that's it. Okay, good, so this works. But now what if I add it to a... What if I do it to this dialog? I probably should just not allow this. Like if it's maybe like if it's already open, just nope. Mm. Also, I forgot to remove some more debug prints because I removed this one, but I left this, and I think I left some more. Yeah, I left this. And not just left it, it's even in the last commit, so. Mm-hmm. Okay, yeah, no prints anymore. So I guess if I call present on dialog that's already shown, it should probably just bail. Unless it's... Well, I guess unless it's being closed right now and it's on the same... Hmm. I mean... I guess the window itself would need to check it. In that case, I guess the window could... Let's see again. Yeah, it's messy. I guess the dialog could just remember its window and like check that. I feel like I should not be writing code while I'm sleepy like right now, but it should be fine. So yeah, I think I guess I could just remember this widget, and if it's the same as before, then I just do this and that's it. I don't need to remember it. I can just fetch the current root. Mm-hmm. Now it should be safe. Wait, no, if it's different from the current root. Wait, no. No. If the current root, if the current root exists and root is different, then we just bail. Wait, no. Mm. I can never remember how to fetch the type name, so I'll just copy it. Cannot present the dialog for this. Like this. And otherwise, we can just add it again. Well, yeah. Mm-hmm. So I don't even need to remember anything, and yeah, it should be safe now. If it works, of course. Mm-hmm. If I call something different, it will. Then it will bail. Let's see what. Well. Hmm. Well, this will not work because now if root is null, I'll have garbage output. I believe at least. Like doing this might be UP in this case. Yeah, it definitely is. Fair enough. So like we can't show it for now. So we know current root is null, but root might be. Like this instead. Like we can't print null, it will just show nil basically. But we can't get the class name for it, type name for it. Because that will not work. I still need to fix that bug where like if one dialog is closed, I still can't do close requests again. But yeah. So now the actual window. Now present, like now we know that present will be wait, no, it won't work window, will it? Because we created it right here. So in this case, root will be null. So we'll just add window. Remember this window? Well, also priv not self, because this is derivable class. Preset it with no cast because it's already window. If current root is null, no, this. Like if I don't pass widget, if I pass no widget, then we need to use the current window, which is the current root. It's still not null. So either it's this or I'm gonna skip this one. Yeah, if the new root is null and the current one is is the same as window. Yeah, we already know that the current one is... Window can be null. I can't cast it. I can't cast it to root because if it's... what a mess. So possible situations here. Current root exists. It's fine. Current root is null. If root is same, it's fine. Even if it's a window. Well, yeah, if it's same side. If it's different, if the root is null and if current one is null and root is null. Wait, no. No, the other way around. Yeah, oh my god. If the current root is null, it's all fine because we just present new dialog. Like it's fine. We can't do anything. If the current root exists, the new one is same. It's fine because then we just it's yeah, we just do nothing. If it's different, if it was within another window, then we bail. If the new root is null. Wait, no, still no. I'll probably end the stream early today because yeah, I'm having hard time thinking right now. As you can see by me, basically writing out a probably fairly simple expression like this and still struggling. Okay, again, wait. So the case I want to prevent is root can be if the current root is the window and the new root is null. Wait, if the wait, does any of this even matter? Oh right, yeah, I want to bail if the current root is a window and the new one is null. Yeah. This is another case where I don't want to bail. So this one it's fine. Either this or the current root is null. Well, current root is null and wait, no. Current root is null is all fine. Current root is... These are the three cases that we care about. Yes. So yeah, I'll just invert it all at once. So this is all fine. Then this and this and this, which means so this is the expression. It took me way more than should to write this, and I still got wrong. Comparison distinct point times because the current root is current root can be... Oh, right. I guess I could just cast all of the current root to GK window. And that was a little bit messy. I guess, yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, these are separate. Okay, yeah, it's fine. Well, what's not fine is how long it took me to write this, but it works, I think. Yeah, okay. I forgot what I was going to do. Yeah, so now I have the window, now I need to actually adapt to it. So update presentation in this case, if it's a window, then I don't even need the breakpoint bin. Which is... for presentation mode in this case. So in this case, presentation mode does nothing. The more I'm thinking about it, the more it seems like a bad idea. So maybe I should just not do it now and think about it later. Yeah, I think I'm reverting this. So I'm reverting all of this stuff. And this. And this. And this. Well, for now it's a third. It will, you know what? It needs to be proper error message. Yeah, I should probably stop this very soon. Ah, yeah. This doesn't work anymore because I revert all of that, but didn't revert this. Yeah. Next up, I guess I could fix that bug with close request. So what? Basically, what I need here is a way to query if the current dialog is if the dialog is currently being closed, and in that, well, and if it is, then basically take the next dialog in the list, the next dialog of the window itself, which I guess can also be messy if we close the main window. Yeah, I guess I'm going back to my notes to just check what else I need to implement because I just don't remember right now. Alright, hide and close. Which I guess I could implement it. Or maybe it's fine for this thing to be like transfer node. But then again, people will forget to unref it. So transfer full is probably better. I keep yawning. I'll probably end in like 10 minutes, half an hour, because yeah, it's not going particularly good today. Particularly well. Yeah. Yeah. Wait, I forget. Ah, right. I forgot again what I wanted to do. The wait, no. Ah, right. Hide and close. Yeah, I guess let's wait. No, I can't have named hide and close because it's more like keep alive, even though um maybe it's fine to just keep ref. Bindings don't need to worry about it. It's automatic for them, and for C it's probably fine to expect people to just ref it manually. So yeah, we probably don't need it. Let's see. Default widget, this one I do need. And in general, to like figure out keyboard focus. Hmm. Let's see. Well, first of all, um, if I if I focus something within the dialogue and then reparent it, yeah, the focus is lost. This is not great. And navigation split view does get rounded by basically remembering the old focus and distorting it if it's still there. We probably still should have that too. Hmm. Um, this would get the focus. Mm-hmm. Um, and then at the end we restored. So now I can do this, and the focus stays where it was. So it works now. Mm, next is the next one is focusing the dialogue when opening it. So I have visible focus, and it's still on the button. We need to focus the insides of the dialogues instead. I guess we could do it in present. In first map. Mm, mm, by the way. Oh, this is not descendants. Yeah, I see. So the naked answer is not enough for a full like 3 hour stream. Good to know. This did and this did not work. What if I grab focus not on this but on the child? Hmm? Oh, it's brief child, right? Mm, nope, still nothing. I said before I don't understand how GTK focus works in general, and that's still the case. Even more so when I'm sleepy. So, yeah, I guess let's just end because it's pretty clearly not going anywhere, and yeah. So, where's the PS? Okay. Um, yeah. So this, yeah, it's not going anywhere. So let's just end this. So I guess, thanks for watching. This was Trainwreck. Um, but yeah, I'll see if I should still stream on Thursday or maybe wait until after holidays. Which will be probably the first 2 weeks of January. So I guess, yeah, see you later. I don't know when I'll announce Confetti. Yeah.